Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. And in this YouTube video, I am going to be sharing tips on how to get more commercial cleaning clients. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be discussing how to find more commercial cleaning clients. Now, if you are in the residential cleaning space, or if you're new to cleaning in general, you may or may not know this, but finding residential/home cleaning clients is a lot easier and faster to actually do versus commercial cleaning clients. And this is for a number of reasons. Number one, residential cleaning clients are more of a low-hanging fruit because people always need their house cleaned. Even if clients aren't looking for recurring service, you can absolutely find people that are looking for a one-time deep clean or a move-in, move-out cleaning. You can simply go around telling everybody that you have a residential or house cleaning business. You can post some ads on the internet, and you can simply be found by Google My Business. Now, it's much easier, I say, because people are always looking for their house cleaning, and all they do is get a pricing from you and they book. With commercial cleaning clients, it is a little bit more tricky. And what I mean by that is that the process of finding a commercial cleaning client, doing a walkthrough for a commercial cleaning client, sending that proposal, and then actually getting them to sign it is a much longer process. Now, let me give you a couple of reasons on why that may be true. Number one, getting in contact with the person in charge of the cleaning for that facility can take some time. Number two, even if you get in contact with the person at that facility, they might not need your services right away, and that can be for a number of different reasons. Number one, they can be in a current contract with a cleaning company. Number two, they might just not need a cleaning company at the time. And number three, it just might not be in their budget. And that's why I say it takes a little bit longer. You need to actually have about 18 points of contact with a commercial cleaning potential client before they sign a contract. Now, I don't say that to make you worry or make you not want to go after commercial cleaning clients. I am just giving you the reality of about how long it's going to take compared to finding someone's home to clean. Now, let's actually talk a little bit about the lifetime value of customers and why you should be looking for commercial cleaning contracts. Now, as many of you know, I do a lot of residential cleaning, and that is our niche. However, we do have commercial accounts, and we are expanding our commercial cleaning clientele list. Now, what I've seen from my very own cleaning businesses is that the turnover rate for residential cleaning is high, meaning that people may stay on for a couple of months or maybe even a couple of years, but eventually something might happen in their life where they just can't afford residential cleaning anymore. Residential cleaning to me is a luxury, and I say that as a customer of my own company, meaning that sometimes I even think to myself like, hey, I could even save myself X amount per month if I were to just clean my own house. In reality, I don't have the time. So for me, spending that money does allow me to work longer and do other things with my family. However, it is a luxury. With commercial cleaning clients, these office buildings and these businesses have to get cleaned for a number of reasons. Number one, for health and safety reasons, and number two, because they want their clients to keep coming back. So it is more of a necessity, and COVID has proven that to us. So we've talked on the topic of commercial cleaning being a longer process of finding those clients versus residential cleaning. We have briefly discussed the importance of commercial cleaning versus residential cleaning. Now I am going to get into the lifetime value of a residential cleaning client versus a commercial cleaning client. And what that means is how much that client is worth to you over a certain amount of time. Now, for residential cleaning, I'm going to give you an example of having a weekly client at $200 a week. If you have a client paying you $200 a week, in 1 year, that client is going to be worth $10,400. Over 10 years, and that's if they stay on every week at $200 a week, that client is going to be worth $104,000. That's just some simple math for you guys. Now let's do some math for the lifetime value of a commercial cleaning client. Let's just say you have a commercial cleaning client and that account is worth $2,500 a month. Over 12 months, 1 year, that client is going to be worth $30,000. And over 5 years, that client is going to be worth $150,000. So now you guys understand that you can have a better lifetime value, a bigger lifetime value of a commercial cleaning client versus a residential cleaning client. Also, commercial cleaning clients are less likely to not work with you. There has to be a number of reasons, like you guys aren't cleaning properly and so forth. Again, because this is more of a necessity than a luxury. If you guys are interested in learning on how to start your very own commercial, residential, or full service cleaning business, please be sure to check out my full website where I have a number of online courses, free resources, internal forms, one-on-one coaching, and a number of other products for the growing cleaning business owner. Now let's get into some tips on how to get more commercial cleaning clients. Now, number one is going to be cold emailing and physically mailing your clients letters. So I am going to link another YouTube video with Dave Kamenga and I in the description of this video so that you guys can go ahead and check out exactly how that is done. And you guys can also purchase the templates using the link below. So essentially what it is cold emailing your commercial cleaning clients and sending them out a letter introducing your business and letting them know who you are, what services you provide, what areas you're in, and that you are in fact taking on new commercial cleaning clients and offering a free walkthrough. You might be saying to yourself, well, Carol, where am I going to get this information from? So there are two ways in which you can do that. Number one, you can purchase this data from a number of data scraping websites, as well as just heading over onto Google and typing in the types of businesses that you're looking for in the areas that you are looking to service. Now, you want to be very specific with the clients that you are marketing to. You want to make sure that they are your avatar and your ideal client. Number two is going to be cold calling. So once you have that information, not only should you have your email, their address, but also their phone number. And that's where you can give them a call and again, introduce your cleaning company and ask to speak with the person in charge of the cleaning. Once you get that person on the phone, you can then try to schedule that free consultation or free walkthrough. That way you can come see their establishment, take your measurements, and then later on send them a proposal. I do have a full-length video on how to perform a commercial cleaning walkthrough, so be sure to check in the description of this video for that link. So far, we have discussed sending cold emails, sending cold letters, and of course, cold calling. Now let's talk about doing some door-to-door marketing. Now, I know sometimes this can be frowned upon. However, this has been a tactic that we've used in our business early on and in fact has worked and still does. Now, what you want to do is either gather that information from the websites that I had mentioned or going into Google, or like many of us do, drive around where you would like to service these clients or where you have already existing commercial cleaning accounts. So if you have an account at point A and you know that there are other businesses in that area that are maybe a 2-minute to 5-minute drive that you would like to target, you should do that. Now, what that means is going out in your uniform and picking a day of the week in which you're going to visit these different businesses. So let's say you happen to find a strip mall next to a commercial cleaning account that you already have, or in an area that you want to market to. You would go out in your uniform and be sure to bring your marketing materials with you. Now, what type of marketing materials should you bring? Number one, you want to make sure that you have some professional business cards. Secondly, you want to make sure that you have some professional looking flyers. If you guys need assistance with creating business cards, flyers, or pamphlets, please check the link in the description of this video, as that is a service that we provide. Now, this is an example of the flyers that we have made for our commercial cleaning company. Now, on this side of the flyer, we have the different types of facilities that we service listed. So we have offices, education, fitness facilities, industrial, medical facilities, retail, multi-housing units, financial institutions, and mobile trailers. So we're letting the client know that these are the different types of establishments that we like to clean. Now, on the other side, and actually on this side as well, here is where we say that we are fully insured and bonded. That way the client understands that and they don't have to ask us. We also, of course, have our website here on the bottom. Now, if you flip this around, here is where we have some more information. So here we have a QR code to our website. Now, you guys want to make sure you guys do have a website and, of course, a Google My Business. And we also have our phone number, how many days we are open a week. And here you will see the different services that we offer. So we're letting them know that we do janitorial office cleaning, carpet cleaning, move in, move out cleaning, and a number of different services. So all of the information on the front and the back of this flyer is enough to let our potential client know exactly who we are, what services we provide, and what types of facilities it is that we work with. Now, when we are doing these door-to-door drop-ins, we simply go in with our uniforms, of course, that have our logo, phone number, and a QR code to our website. And we simply say, "Hi, my name is Carolyn. I'm from Arellano Cleaning Services. We're a local family-owned janitorial company, and we wanted to know if you would be interested in a free proposal." Now, we're already there in their facility. So 8 times out of 10, I would like to say, they are open to getting a free proposal, which means they are now going to allow me to walk around, take photos, take measurements, grab that business card, which is very, very important information, and then I would go back to my home or my office and type up all the proposals that I need to for that day. Now, of course, some businesses are going to say they're not interested, and that is absolutely fine. But while you are face-to-face and talking with somebody in that business, be sure to, at minimum, ask for one of their business cards and leave your materials. So at every single business that you visit, you want to make sure to leave your materials and grab their information, because as I mentioned prior, you still want to market to these clients later on down the line. Just because they're not interested today does not mean they will not be interested in 3 months, in 9 months, in a year, in 2 years from now. We have, in fact, gained commercial cleaning clients that we have done door-to-door marketing to up to a year later. And from talking with my good friend Dave and a number of other commercial cleaning business owners, they have said the same. People will hold on to your flyers. People will hold on to your mailers. People will go to your follow-up emails that you are sending them. And sometimes they might even tell you on the phone while you're doing a follow-up cold call that they finally need your services. Now, I know for a fact that being consistent and persistent is key. Anytime you're pitching your services to a potential client, you want to look and come off as professional as possible. So that means having your branded uniform on, that means having your marketing materials, that means having a clean and easy website to use, that means having your Google My Business with reviews and photos. And if you guys need any assistance with any type of marketing, please be sure to check out my full website, as we offer web design, we offer Google My Business setup, we offer marketing material design, as well as a number of services for the growing cleaning business owner. Although commercial cleaning clients do take sometimes up to 18 touch points to gain, they are absolutely worth it. So I do not want you guys to feel like this is not worth your time, or think that because you visit a client once, call them once, send them one email, send them one letter, that is all it's going to take. You need to keep following up consistently. That means doing a combination of everything that I have discussed over a long period of time. Now, I usually give about 6 to 8 weeks in between, and sometimes longer, right? in between each touch point with the same client. Again, there can be a number of reasons in which they are not interested at the very moment, but at one point they will either need your services or be looking to replace the cleaning company that they currently have. If you guys found this video educational and informational, please be sure to hit the like, the subscribe, and the notification button. That way, every time I upload a video, you're notified.